Zoom it up.
Until he ate up all his profits. Now, he wants to tax the radio to see if he can taste a few more profits by biting the hand.
I got it.
But that's not so good for radio. It's worse for music. And it's not a very happy ending to the story. The record label Fat Cat is fat enough. Let's take the performance tax off his plate. If you want the real story of the performance tax, go to noperformancetax.org. Don't feed the fat cat. This message furnished by the National Association of Broadcasters.
Son, I don't mind paying for your education.
I appreciate that, Mom.
But you've been going to college for, what is it, 14 years?
16.
And I'm a proud recipient of 7 BA degrees.
Some are BS.
Yes, I know, but 16 years, isn't it time to find a job?
A job?
A place you go where people pay you to work.
Hard to find work in my field of study.
Let's go online to BigAppleHealthWanted.com.
We don't know anything about .coms.
No, BigAppleHealthWanted.com is the online access to both full and part-time local jobs.
Maybe you should like work.
Well, that one's quite like you, son. But look, it's easy.
Fighting
Foods help wanted ads, post a resume, and search for a particular type of job.
Like what?
Look on professional, sales, accounting, management, truck driving.
From bilinguals to basic technologist,
No.
telemetric hycalonic administrator.
No, remember you need to get the prepaid.
Yes, there is.
Look,
Browse your way to BigAppleHealthWanted.com. Long name,
look at the bird.
amazing results.
They're taking a shower?
Yeah, watch it, they go in. Watch. Look. Watch it. Look at that. You see how they going in? It's good that they get wet now because then por la noche they're actually dry.
Okay.
Esto.
Song came out with the dance, but now, bonafide superstar cannot be mad at it. Not at all.
No, ustedes son hombres aquí. Como